Hello, good morning students. Today I will teach you lesson 9 adverbs. Last time हमने lesson 9 adverbs explain किया था मैंने. So उसमें आपको कौन-कौन से points notice किए थे. So what is the adverb? Adverb क्या है? Verb और adverb का difference है. वो मैंने आपको explain किया था. फिर adverbs of manner, how. So वो point भी मैंने आपको explain किया था. फिर to make adverbs from adjective यानी कि एडवर्ब का एडजेक्टिव कैसे बनाते हैं वो भी मैंने आपको वो पॉइंट भी एक्सप्लेन किया था. ओके, सो फिर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट था जो एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब वो दोनों का डिफरेंस है वो भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. सो टुडे आई विल टीच यू न्यू पॉइंट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाउ ऑफ्टन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट न्यू पॉइंट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाउ ऑफ्टन. ओके, when adverbs answer the question how often, they express a relation of frequency. For example, once, twice, frequently, often, usually, always, never, seldom, sometimes. Okay, when adverbs answer the questions, जो एडवर्ब्स के आंसर द क्वेश्चंस होते हैं हाउ ऑफ्टन कैसे होते हैं, द एक्सप्रेस अ रिलेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, वो फ्रीक्वेंसी एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वंस, ट्वाइस, यूजुअली, ऑलवेज, never, sometimes. Okay, once, twice, usually, always, never, sometimes. This is the use of adverb of frequency. ये जो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं जो when adverbs answer the questions, how often, they express relation of frequency. For example, once, twice, usually, always, never, sometimes, seldom. Adverbs of frequency usually come after the verb be or before all other main verbs. यानी कि जो adverbs की frequency है, जो adverbs की भी सारी जो frequency है usually come after the verb, यानी कि जो verb है उसके बाद में आता है और before all other main verbs, और जो main verbs है उसके पहले आता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल Nancy always goes out. Nancy always goes out carrying her bag. Nancy always goes out carrying her bag. So Nancy है वो क्या है, verb है, और main verbs क्या है, goes out. So always ही और कहाँ पे आ गया, सॉरी always जो है वो frequency एग्जाम्पल है, always वो कहाँ पे आ गया, मेन वर्ब गोस आउट के पहले, और जो यूजुअली जो आफ्टर वर्ब होता है, जो यूजुअली वर्ब होता है उसके आफ्टर यानी कि बाद में ऑलवेज आ गया. सो यहाँ पे आपको पता चल गया होगा कि एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी है जो यूजुअली कम आफ्टर मेन वर्ब, सॉरी कम आफ्टर वर्ब एंड मेन वर्ब बिफोर फ्रीक्वेंसी एग्जाम्पल. ओके, यानी कि जो वर्ब है उसके बाद में आफ्टर और मेन वर्ब्स के बिफोर फ्रीक्वेंसी question number D, page number 53. Rewrite the sentence using the given adverbs in place of the phrases in bold. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो बोल्ड में आपको सेंटेंस दिए हैं उसको फिर से यूज करके आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी वाले सेंटेंस एडवर्ब्स रख के बनाने हैं. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर डी आपको कंप्लीट करना है ऐसे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट adverb of place. Adverb of place where. Adverb of place where. Adverb की place है इस जगह है वो कहाँ पे, मतलब सेंटेंस में in the sentence adverb of place where. Okay, so let's start the new point. Adverb of place is in the sentence where. Sentence में adverbs की जो place है जगह कहाँ पे है. Let's start. When adverbs answer the question where they express a relation of place, for example here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, southward. When adverbs answer the questions where they express relation of place, for example here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, southward. Okay, adverb of place where. When adverb of answer the questions they express relation of place, for example here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, southward. Okay, for example the boys found a treasure map. The boys found a treasure map near a river. The boys found a treasure map near a river. So, adverb of place is the adverb of answer the questions. The express relations of place. For example, here, there, everywhere, inside. So यहाँ पे आपको देखा है जो the boys found a treasure map near a river. So the boys found कर रहे हैं treasure map कहाँ पे, river के नजदीक, near a river. So यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, adverb of place. Okay, so this is the adverb of place. Okay, adverbs of time when. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time when. Adverbs of time when. Adverbs of time when. When adverbs answer the questions when they express relations of time. Adverbs answer the questions they express when they express relations of time. Adverbs of the answer the questions when express relations of a time. For example yesterday, tomorrow, after, before, now, then, soon. Okay. Answer the question. Adverbs of adverbs answer the questions when the express of relations of time. For example, today, yesterday, tomorrow, after, before, now, soon. Okay, etc. etc. Adverbs of time come at the beginning or at the end of sentence. Adverbs of time come at the beginning or the end of sentence. यानी कि जो adverbs का time है वो sentence के beginning में यानी कि starting में और in the sentence end यानी कि sentence के end में यानी कि sentence जो complete होता है वहाँ पे पूरा होता है वहाँ पे ये adverbs time show करता है. For example, last night dogs bark. Last night the dogs barked non-stop. Last night the dogs barked non-stop. So the beginning sentence of adverbs of time. Last night ये adverbs time में कहाँ पे use हुआ? In the beginning of sentence. Sentence के starting में beginning में use हुआ. Okay? So हमने अभी कौन-कौन से point देखे? Adverbs of frequency, how often? Adverbs the question answer. Adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place or adverbs of time. I again explain the 3 points. Adverbs of frequency, how often. Adverbs of question answer, how often express frequency. For example, once, twice, usually, always, never, sometimes. For example, Nancy always goes out carrying her bag. Okay. Next one, adverbs of place, where. Adverbs answer the questions where they express relations of place. For example, here, there, everywhere, inside. For example, the boys found a treasure map near a river. यानी कि जो adverbs के questions answer होते हैं उसमें जो where है कहाँ पे है वो क्या कैसा express करते हैं जो relations place के साथ express करते हैं. Next one, adverb of time. Adverbs of time when. Adverbs of time when. Adverbs question answer. Adverbs question answer. The when express relations of time. For example, today, yesterday, tomorrow, after, before, now, soon, etc. etc. So example, last night the dogs barked non-stop. Adverbs tend to come out in the sentence beginning या sentence के end में. Okay? जो adverbs time है वो कहाँ पे होता है? Adverbs time में क्या होता है? Adverbs of time come at the beginning or at the end of sentence. Adverbs time of at beginning or end of sentence. यानी कि जो adverbs का time है, adverbs time में sentence के beginning में आता है या फिर sentence के end में आता है. So यहाँ पे adverbs of frequency, how often, adverb of place, where, adverbs of time where. यहाँ पे ये points complete हो गए. So अभी हम next point पे जाएंगे. Our next point is different WH words are used to ask about persons, things, place, time, reason or manner. WHO, WHEN, when and which are pronouns. Where, when, why and how are adverbs. Who, when, which. Where, when and how. WH questions. WH questions, different WH questions, different WH words are used about persons, things, place, times or manner. So WHO words who, when, which are pronoun. Who, when, which are pronoun. Where, when and how are adverbs. Who, when, which are pronoun and where, when and how are these adverbs. Okay. For example, where. Where. About place and direction. Where. Place and direction. Where. Place and direction. For example, where shall I put the keys? Where shall I put keys? मैं keys कहाँ रख सकती हूँ? Where shall I put the keys? So where shall I put the keys? यानी कि shall I put the keys? तो keys को कहाँ पे रखना है? Where shall I put the keys? तो keys को कहाँ पे रखना है? तो place और directions दिखाता है. When. About time. When. About time. For example, when does the train leave? When does the train leave? Train कब छूटेगी? Train कब छूटेगी? So this is the show of time. ये क्या show करता है? क्या express करता है? Time. Why? About reason. Why? About reason. Why किसके लिए यूज होता है? About reason. यहाँ पे reason देना पड़ता है. For example, why are you weeping? आप weeping क्यों कर रहे हो? तो उसका reason चाहिए. ऐसा मतलब why about reason. For example, how. How about manner. How किसके लिए यूज होता है? About manner. Where है जो किसके लिए यूज होता है? When express the place and direction. When express the time answers to questions, write both. Next point, comparisons of adverbs. Comparisons of adverbs. Comparisons of adverb. An adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. An adjective has 3 degrees of comparisons. Similarly, an adverb also has 3 degrees of comparison. The rules to make comparative degree and superlative degree from positive degree are usually the same. An adjective has 3 degree comparisons. Similarly, an adverb also has 3 degree of comparisons. The rules to make comparative degree and superlative degree from positive degree are usually the same. For example, last night I went to bed earlier than usual. Next example, Sam ran faster than Tom. The caravan was rolling faster and faster down the hill. The sooner we leave, the sooner we will get there. She was losing. She hit the ball more hardly. Can you walk a bit more slowly? I used to play tennis more often. That lazy boy walks more slowly in the school. So यहाँ पे WH questions and comparison of adverbs यहाँ पे complete हो गया. So आज हमने कौन-कौन से point explain किए मैंने देखती हूँ. आपको फिर से एक बार बताती हूँ. Adverbs of place where, adverbs of time when, adverbs of frequency how often, WH questions and last में comparison of adverbs. ये सारे points यहाँ पे complete होते हैं. So जो आपको मैंने ये points complete करवाए उसकी जो है exercise वो आपको वर्कबुक में fill करनी है. So lesson 9 adverbs यहाँ पे complete होता है. So हम मिलेंगे next year 2021 में मिलेंगे. So bye bye 2020. See you again next lecture in 2021. Okay, bye bye friends. Have a nice